This is basically the drywall in United States. This is the damage to the wall, and I'm basically taking the wall repair kit. And this wall repair kit will have this, which is called as spackle, or it is also called as putty, and it has mesh. It has sanding paper to use once the spackle is dried, and this is basically the putty knife, or it is also called as leveler. Now, since this area is very small, even without this one, it is going to look fine. Okay. Because it is only a minor patch. Okay. Okay. This is the extra spackle that I have removed, and then add the spackle to the area with holes. Okay, this is perfect. Now, after it dries, we will be doing the sanding.